let's go with this melody. Remember, we're using a C diatonic 4-hole harmonica like this one. Or you can use a chromatic harmonica like this one. Remember, the chromatic harmonica is the one with this slide bottom. An important thing here is that now we're going to count just on three, not on 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I will help you with the start of the melody as always. Let's go. 1, 2, and. Great. Oh. 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 Let's try a little bit faster. It's okay if it's not easy. It's okay if you can't play it immediately the melody. It's just time. So keep moving, keep trying, because you're in the right way. Okay, let's try 110 BPM. It's a bit faster. 1, 2, and. Ah, very well. You did it. I'm happy too. Hope you're happy. If you make a mistake practicing, don't worry. It's okay. Most of the time that we practice, we play wrong notes, and it's fine. The important thing and the main thing here is to be patient, treat yourself with love, and say, okay, I messed it up this one. Let's try. Where was my mistake? My mistake was on hole number 4. I draw instead of blowing. Okay, that's fine. You will get it.